Alrighty, I have some really exciting news before we get into the construction update for you guys. So our May 9th event has been posted on Patreon for some time now. The tickets have been selling well on Patreon, and they have had their time. So now it is all of your time. So we are dropping our tickets for everyone else who isn't on our Instagram and Patreon. So here on YouTube, if you haven't heard about it, May 9th, we are renting out Elpin Fury and Leviathan for 2 hours after the park closes from 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. And by popular demand last year, we have also rented a drink stand for you guys for the time period that is being rented out for Elpin Fury and Leviathan. So if you really want to join us for this event, it has been well received by everyone. If you talk to anyone that attended our events last year, they were great. You can get as many rides as you possibly can on those rides. And some of them were stay-ons. So yeah, very popular. We are still limiting the amount of people who can attend. So if you want your ticket, definitely grab one as soon as possible because these events do sell out. We sold out last year and we are fully expecting to sell it this year. Stay tuned for 2 other events that we are going to be dropping very shortly. Just waiting on final confirmation, and they're going to be epic. Okay. One of them is unheard of in the Wonderland community. So very excited to drop that. Anyways, Mindbuster is coming along very nicely, very slow progress due to weather, but they have been installing the ledgers and further support structure on Mindbuster. So not much to cover. If you're wondering why I haven't been uploading, it is because it is essentially the same thing over and over and over again now with Mindbuster. They are installing some of the running rails, the ledgers, and just the further support structure underneath the track. So definitely nothing too exciting. So I would only expect maybe one Mindbuster video a week at best until something more exciting is going on. You should be able to see some further coverage on some other things in the park very shortly. I am expecting Wonderland to make an announcement on one of their other refurbishment projects in the park very shortly, which means you guys will be able to get a taste of that. So that's all I have to say for Mindbuster right now, and nothing else to talk about, but definitely click in the comments down below, the pinned comment, and register for Coasters After Dark. This is just our LRT event. This is not the tour. The tour one is going to be September 12th, and tickets will drop shortly for that one as well, but that is very limited based off of our agreement with the park. We are limiting attendance to the tours even further, so definitely get those tickets the minute they drop. Anyways, thanks so much, and have a good one, guys. Bye.